Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn off screen lock sound in your phone Vivo V15. While locking screen with this power key, there will be small sound. Hear it. While unlocking also, there will be a small sound. If you want to turn off that sound, yes, you can do it. Just go to the settings in your phone Vivo V15 and then go to display and sound and vibration, then go to screen lock sound. Just turn off it. Now this sound will not appear, will not hearable. Lock, unlock, there is no sound. That is this sound is turned off. Okay, screen lock sound. Okay, if you want to really have this sound, just turn on this button, screen lock sound. Now you will have this sound. Carefully listen to it. So in this way you can easily control screen lock sound in your phone Vivo V15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.